your head on my shoulder.
Hey peoples, it's Crystal Jade, your local lash tag. Joking, I'm not a lash tag, but I can put on false lashes in under 5 minutes. So I just felt like I teach y'all how to do this right now. I give y'all a false lashes 101, all the tips and tricks to false lashes and how to apply them, where I got my materials from, and let's just get into the video. What's up, this is probably gonna be a short little video, but I'm gonna link all my materials down below. Check that out. I usually use tweezers to apply my fake lashes. You can get this from Walmart, Walgreens, your local drugstore. Before all hell broke loose and we could actually go to stores, but on my lashes, they minks, y'all. Can't live without them minks, period. They out the box already. I use them multiple times. I got them from Wish. You could get them at your local beauty store. And they have a glue on the bands already because I use them. But what I usually do is just gently pick the glue in order to take it out. But let me know if y'all want me to make a video about how to properly clean your lashes, because it's not that hard. So yeah, I like mine long. And my glue is Ardell Lash Grip. Got it from Walgreens. You'll get it anywhere. Walmart, your local drugstore. Link everything down below. And what I would recommend for putting on false lashes, you have to trim the ends. I already trimmed them, but you have to trim the ends slightly for them to match the line of your eyes. And you can even bend them a little bit to match the line of your eyes, so that they'll go on seamless, you know what I'm saying? Period. So I'm gonna put some glue. Oh, look at this. I ain't used these lashes in a long time. I gotta take all this stuff out. But I'm gonna just put some glue at the tip. Ooh. You don't want to put too much because it's gonna be a whole mess. I'm gonna tell you this right now. Don't put too much. Just put a little glue on the band. If this would fucking come out, put a little bit on the band. Okay, there we go. You could blow it a little bit. Let it dry for like 15 to 30 seconds so that it'll go on gooey. If it goes on wet, a whole mess, girl. And I just hold the middle of the lash. I start with my fingers. So, oh Lord Jesus. I haven't done this in a minute. Oh Lord Jesus. How you like me? How you like me now? I start with my fingers. And then I go in with my tweezer or whatever. I never put no lashes on camera. I'm struggling. This corner is the hardest to do. I'm telling you right now. Okay. And then you just squeeze it down. Y'all, I apologize for my chappy ass lips. I already know you see that right now. And my big ass pores. But like I said, squeeze it down so that it'll stick. So yeah, that's how you do it. I'm gonna do my other lash off camera because this is a whole struggle. Hey y'all, it's Editing Crystal. I'm gonna be popping up because there were a few things throughout the video that I forgot to say. So, thick bands are recommended for beginners. They say thin bands are way easier, but I recommend thick bands for beginners because Thick bands, in my opinion, girl, is more easier. So y'all, I put a thinner lash on my other eye just to show you guys what a thinner lash looks like, to see what you guys prefer. So this is a thicker, longer lash right here, and this is a thinner lash right here, thinner and shorter. I personally prefer this one, but y'all could prefer whatever y'all want. So yeah, it's editing Crystal, and I prefer mine's long. I know I said I prefer the thin one, but I prefer mine's long. Sometimes I prefer the thin one because it looks way better and way more natural, so that's the reason why I said I prefer the thin one. Y'all, I miss putting on lashes every day. Kinda, not really, but they kind of itch a little bit and they kind of feel weird. So like, don't even trip if they feel weird, because when you put a lash on your eye, it's bound to feel different. It's bound to feel weird. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it's something on your eye, it's bound to feel weird. So do not trip if your lash feels weird, okay? So yeah, that's basically all. Leave a comment if y'all have any questions. Yeah. I'm gonna leave everything down below. Let me know if y'all want some more false lash tutorials and stuff, and please leave a like if you guys like the video. Leave a comment down below if y'all want. Subscribe, click the bell icon so you can get notification every time I upload a brand new video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.